Have you ever heard of the Mediterranean diet? This diet became popular after an American researcher studied the eating habits of several countries and realized that people living in the Mediterranean area were less likely to develop a cardiovascular disease, despite the fact that their diet is high in fats. In this diet, olive oil is one of the most important elements, not only for its culinary uses, but also because of its medicinal properties. In today's video, we will show you some of olive oil's benefits, which are even greater when consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. It helps you absorb nutrients better. Besides being rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, and antioxidants, olive oil favors the absorption of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. It aids in weight loss. Practitioners of the Mediterranean diet usually drink 1/4 of a glass of olive oil in the morning to lose weight. This is because the oil keeps you satiated for longer, making you eat less. It helps protect your heart. Olive oil contains polyphenols that protect your heart by reducing the action of free radicals and preventing fat plaques from attaching to the arteries. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect. It prevents cardiovascular diseases. This ingredient is rich in monounsaturated fats and is very beneficial for your body, especially for your circulatory system. In addition, it helps balance cholesterol, triglyceride levels, and blood pressure. It improves your skin. Consuming olive oil gives you nutrients with known anti-aging effects. It can also contribute to the prevention of melanoma, one of the worst types of skin cancer. It reduces blood sugar levels. Studies have pointed out that olive oil helps your body maintain more stable blood sugar levels after meals compared to other vegetable oils. It improves digestion. Olive oil has the ability to reduce the secretion of gastric acids, thus protecting the stomach, in addition to helping the gallbladder produce more bile, breaking down the fats so that they can be absorbed more easily. It also protects the intestines from any damage that may come to their cells, which could lead to cancer. In addition to improving intestinal transit, it helps relieve constipation. It detoxifies. Olive oil with lemon is great for your liver, the organ whose main job is detoxifying our bodies. It's good for your brain. Olive oil is great for your brain, mainly because it's rich in monounsaturated fats, which play an important role in the formation of brain tissues and help improve cognition and memory. If you're thinking of adding olive oil to your diet, try choosing a name brand olive oil and keeping it at room temperature. It is recommended that you dilute a tablespoon of olive oil in a glass of water and add the juice from half a lemon and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.